So if you are facing the issue that your C drive does not have enough memory and shows the red line here, which further creates a lot of issue, then this video is for you, and I will tell you in this video how you can fix this issue. So as you can see, 23.6 GB is free. If like 500 MBs or 1 GB is free, you can fix that issue. So for that, first of all, you have to press Window plus R and you have to go to temp, then click OK. So here you can see there are a lot of files. Press Ctrl plus A and it to select all these and just delete. So skip the files which are not being deleted, and yes, you are done. And then again press Window plus R and write %temp% and hit OK again. Now press Ctrl plus A and delete all these files and skip which are not being deleted. Okay, then the last step, press Window plus R again and write prefetch. Click OK, and as you can see there are a lot of files here. Press Ctrl A to select all and delete. Skip the files which are not being deleted, and now you are done. So as you can see, if you again click on this PC, it is still 23.6 GB left, and now you have to right click on recycle bin and click empty recycle bin. Click yes, and now all the data has been deleted. So if you refresh this, you can see 2 GBs are free. So if you are facing the issue of your C drive memory storage, you can fix this issue. That's for the video. Make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.